Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting to the exact home panel where the weather widget must appear. Long press an empty area until icons jiggle or until a contextual menu opens. This reveals the widget picker. Once done, tap the plus icon or choose Widget Gallery because that is the only way to add official widgets back. You need the app listed. If weather isn't visible, scroll or search its name. Make sure to keep the home screen visible while you select the widget size. You'll now pick the correct widget size that fits your layout. Small shows quick info, medium gives more detail, and large displays extended forecasts. Tap the weather option, then swipe through size previews to compare. Once you choose, drag the widget to your desired spot on the home screen. Position matters for glanceability. After placing it, release firmly and then tap Done or tap the screen background to exit editing. This locks the widget and ensures it updates properly. To finish, interact with the new weather widget to confirm it opens the weather app and shows current data, because permissions and location access are essential for live updates. If it appears blank or stale, remove and re-add the widget using the same picker. Often a restart clears cache and forces a refresh. Make sure background app refresh and location services are enabled for the weather app. If problems persist, update the app or the OS. Then try adding the widget one more time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.